so it's time to hang out and have some fun. Carla and I have been having a conversation this morning about leading with love on this Wednesday. My daughter's school hosted a morning meeting, and the question of the day was, what are you going to do today in your community to make it a more positive place? And I loved that. And I consider this opportunity to do the Savvy Savings Show one of those things, to pour love into each other and to celebrate the amazing community that we have here with the Smart Choices family. So we are really excited because we're in the middle of Eat the Rainbow. Kudos to everybody that has participated, liked a post, commented on a post, shared a recipe, had fun with us. The whole intention of the Eat the Rainbow challenge this week is just to have fun with fruits and vegetables and try new stuff and have fun learning alongside us. So my daughter actually has made it like a personal challenge to try and get all of her colors filled in every day. And I will admit to you that purple seems to be the challenge for our household. So kudos to everybody who's been participating in the Eat the Rainbow Challenge. You can still invite friends to join us. We still have a couple more days of the challenge. So thank you, and continue having fun alongside of us. The second thank you that we wanted to offer up this morning was about the crazy Today Show Magic Wands announcement that happened last Friday, where we got to talk about the Ageless Youth Wands. Carla and I call them the Magic Wands because they're so fun. But what a response we had all from you and our Smart Choices family. Thank you for, again, commenting on the post, liking the post, sharing your experiences with the wands, because that's what this is all about. I am very, 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 very proud to be associated with a company that has nature-based solutions to some products that are on the market that are much more toxic. And so it's really cool to see a product like our Ageless Wands featured on the Today Show and getting a nature-based solution to be in the limelight and, like heralded for its price point, its science behind it, and its effectiveness. So that was a really exciting thing to have happen.
And I'd like to jump in here and say something that most of the time on the Savvy Savings Show, Daphne and I come on with no makeup, like barefaced.
I have none on today.
I have none on. All I have on is my skincare and my Ageless Wands. So, that's for me. I used to wear makeup every day. And once I started really getting healthy skin, I noticed I don't really need it. If I'm going out or something, I will. But yeah, and then we have, some amazing skincare and makeup products that go in with that natural, that just give you that natural glow. And so anyway, when you feel good and you're taking care of your insides with good nutrition, like our Eat the Rainbow Challenge, and you're taking great supplements and you're using great skincare, you're not going to need makeup or as much makeup. You don't have anything to cover up. You don't really have any flaws in your skin because it's healthy. And that's what we're going for. So yay for everybody. If you did not get those Ageless Wands while they were in that incredible deal, they are worth every penny at full price. And I paid full price for mine when I first got started for the last 3 or 4 months. So, get them anyway. Like, don't have any regrets. But we do have some deals coming up we want to tell you about. Is there anything before we get to the deals that are coming up? No? All right. I'm going to try something here. Please be patient. But I'm going to try to share my screen, and I'm going to try to share a website where you can see the deals. And so let's just play around with this. Daphne, can you see my website here?
I can. I see shop my favorite Shaklee products.
Awesome. Okay, well, this is my website. So when you log in, if you have a member account, you just log in here, and then it's going to be all personalized to you with your member prices. Okay. If you are not a member, you want to get the link to your favorite Shaklee person, your ambassador, so that you can go and shop on their store, which this is my store. Okay. And it'll have their picture, their name on it. So you know you're shopping at the right place, because you do want to support. We are small businesses. We are your local small business. So please support us not just go to Shaklee and give it to the big corporation. Listen, Roger Burnett, we love him. He is a billionaire. It's a family-owned company, but he's got lots of money. And so make sure you support your friend. That way everybody benefits. So, okay, but what I want to show you today is there is now a holiday shop tab right up here. So in your account, if you have an account, or if you're shopping on your ambassadors shopping, the pages look the same. So here we go. Fill this out if you're new because you get a coupon. All right. Holiday gift sets are now available, and these are not only discounted, but they come with a beautiful gift bag. I want you to see these are an organic cotton with beautiful, it's reusable, like you can re-gift gifts with it. You can use it like when you're packing or traveling, or they're just, isn't that beautiful? They come in this beautiful, like natural, creamy color, or the green, like a sage green. But I just want to point out that the gifts are packaged beautifully. You can buy these this way, wrapped and ready to give. Isn't that gorgeous? And I
And
want,
also there's options at all price points. There's options with the multiple different product lines that Shaklee offers. So you can even build your own. So there's lots of options. And we're going to keep talking about this in our Smart Choices community right here, but we just wanted to give you this little teaser of what's to come, and it's very exciting.
so there is also, when you sit down to do your shopping for your own supplements and to buy your gifts, if you bundle all that in one order and you spend $250, you're going to get this gorgeous, I know I want one. I'm going to get me one of these. A gorgeous travel toiletry bag with the cute little leaf here. And it's just, so trendy, on trend with the little puffed quilted texture and the colors. It's just beautiful. Just make sure you use the code travel. Now, I want to show you about, as Daphne was saying, you can click these buttons under $25 if you want to look for gifts under 25, and then it'll pop up with suggested gift ideas. Okay, there's your under 25, under 50, and it goes up. So this, if you just want to shop separately instead of the gift bags, you can do that. And then there's one more thing I want to show you. A really, really, even if you're just a client and you're not shopping, like please take advantage of this. This is called Build Your Own Gift. Mix and match any 3 select products and save 15%. You do have to put the code gift15. And then anything on this page is part of that. So you can mix and match. Or you can get 3. I mean, if you absolutely love the multi-V vitamin drink, and that's all you want, you can get 3 of those and save 15%. Or you could buy, a tea, a rose oil, and a BB cream, and you could get that for 15% off. Now, here's an idea. The BB cream, we really should do a video. I haven't done one in a long time. The BB cream, if you get like the number 1, the 2, the 3, get all 3, or 2, 3, and 4. Like if you get 3 of those, you can really do some fun things with like contouring and concealing and highlighting and things like that. So we'll have to get a makeup artist to show us how to do that. But yeah, you could get 3 BB creams. Or I love this right here. But there's more. So see, if you put see all, there's more ideas in that category. So I'm
So
going
this
to
is
tell
a
you.
great opportunity where you can buy 3 of the same item and use it as a gift opportunity, or you can buy 3 of the same item and stock up, or you can mix and match for gifts. You can mix and match for your personal use. So it's a great way to kind of stack the additional deals this holiday season. It's awesome.
Right, right. And I am in love with this very simple makeup. I mean, like I said, I don't use much makeup, but this is what I use when I use it. So yeah, it's really good. Okay. Is there anything else we need to talk about?
I think we wanted to just give a little teaser that we've got some fun content coming next week. So after our Eat the Rainbow challenge, we're going to start talking about a natural medicine cabinet and what are some of the key things to have on hand during this busy time of year to help support your immune system and treat some of the common symptoms out there with some natural resources. So I'm excited about that. I think it's going to be a fun conversation next week.
Me too. So, yes, so make sure you're a part of the Smart Choices community. You just go to smartchoicescommunity.com, join that Facebook group for all the latest, greatest content. And if you want to learn more about all the offerings, everything we do, visit our website, our team website, smartchoicesteam.com. And you can always check there and see what the latest challenge and content that's coming up in our community is, as well as, all the other info. We have great resources on there, and we post this show there every week as well. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, like it, comment, and share so that we can lead with love in helping to make our community healthier and happier. Bye for now.